Shorty says, bring me mushroom daddy! Mushroom daddy, why? Ayan, wala ka naman si daddy. Ayan, thank you so much. Okay, next. Ilan ba kaya na tatlo? Okay, next. Who will try bake? Who will try ham? Shorty says, bring me kung may mushroom daddy dapat may sexy mommy! Hindi na kailangan magpilala. Okay, last two. Who will try bake? Who will try ham? Shorty says, bring me. Okay, Shorty says, bring me red lipstick na dapat po nasa lips ni Daddy, hindi ko